I'm at the Sergeant J.R. Hatch Park. It's at Katy. Okay, it has a basketball, but the basketball goal is all ripped off and 20 or 40 people here. So this is what it looks like. You're next to a constable, precinct 5 constable. That's why you see all these constable cars. And you park along the street here. And the volleyball, according to the internet, it has 5 volleyball. So look how packed it is. I haven't seen anyone filmed it, so I think I'm the first one to film this. Man, it's packed. There is five. There's 5 volleyball courts. So 2 of them are empty. Not many people play. This one's packed. And look, you're next to the sheriff and constable office. It's really fun. This one's empty. See, there's only 3 guys. And there's a little bench where you can rest right there. So I'll wait until 3 minutes, then I'll stop the filming.